Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has added 2.3% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator moved into the overbought area. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.6% in the last session. The CCI moved into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 1% in the last three sessions. The RSI has moved sharply into the overbought zone. The Aussie dollar pair has added 1.3% in the last three sessions. The ATR shifted into the high volatility area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
While it was a relatively busy week on the economic calendar, Trump's release, hopes of more stimulus, drove investors into risky assets. Demand for Ethereum futures continues to grow. The monthly volume of Ethereum futures grew by 5.3% in September, from $163.1 billion to $172 billion. Fortnite developer Epic Games tries to get some regulation in place to ensure that the 30% cut Apple takes in its iOS App Store is altered.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German CPI will be released at 400 GMT, the UK unemployment rate at 400 GMT, the German ZU economic sentiment at 700 GMT. The U.S. NFIB small business optimism at 800 GMT, the U.S. CPI at 1030 GMT, and the U.S. API weekly crude oil stock at 1830 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.